Y'all, have you ever had a big old elk shed, moose shed, or red stag shed that you wanted to put on the wall and you just didn't know how? Well, thanks to the good boys at Rack Hub, there is an Antler Bar XL. Hang any giant shed on any wall. What? Let me show you how it goes. Let's do it. Classic Rack Hub engineering. First step, we're going to drill the base of the antler and then knock in a little insert. Now this insert's got 12 little spines on it that you just tap in with a hammer and it locks it nice and tight in place. It's instant and no adhesive. Something to keep in mind is this is an aluminum insert, so be delicate and make sure you're hitting it square. You're just wedging those little splines into that porous bone. Now here's a look at the Antler bar, the newest showpiece in the Rack Hub family. Now it slides itself into that insert and just locks really nice and easy, a great little wedge. So on my very first time setting the bar, I held the bar in place and walked it over to where I wanted to set the antler. I marked it on the wall and drilled a little pilot hole. Ultimately, it's a 1/2 inch lag. I fit a socket onto the end of the bar and then using a little impact driver, I ran it down at the angle and the desired depth I wanted. From there, I picked up the antler, worked the insert over the top of the post. It locks in nice and tight. Okay, I got it right where I want it, and I don't want it to, I don't want somebody to grab a hold of it and twist it out of there. So there's this little multi-directional hole inside the shank or the shaft where you can run a screw in there and keep it from twisting or twerking. Them boys are smart. I just think this is another fantastic addition to Rack Hub's way of putting antlers on the wall, getting them off the ground, displaying them. They're beautiful. We're all crazy about them. You're crazy about them? I know you are. We all are. Get them off the ground. Go look for some bone. Thanks for watching.